Hola, això és el de Cant en Cant. Ha passat algun temps des de l'última gravació, però anem fent de tant en tant. Avui cantarem, o vaja, cantarà el Miquel Àngel, que no sóc jo, n'hi ha un altre aquí igual que jo, amb la Margarita al violí i un servidor a la guitarra. I Miqui i Margarita, quina cançó heu triat?
Doncs el My Way, de Frank Sinatra.
El My Way, de Frank Sinatra, per tots vosaltres.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I plan each other curse, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew that when they go more I could too, but through it all, when there was out, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that. I may have seen, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of he needs. There are crucials, I took the blows and did it my oh no, not me. I did it my way.
Molt bé, moltes gràcies, Margarita, Miqui, Mike. Anem, Anem bé. Vinga, molts petons.
Vinga.
Bon estiu.
Adéu.